March is the warm and blossom season, the most beautiful and busy season in Tainan. Full blossoms along the roadsides with green leaves that incorporate with various colors always catch the eye of tourists. If you come to Tainan, there are more things besides flower watching. Tainan has various flowers-related culture and creative products. Let's take a look. In addition to orchid display in the show, we also have cultural and creative orchid products. We provide you not only the visual enjoyment, but also practical use in life. Designed by Orchid Show Industries, the card integrated with app and its function. You will see the 3D image of monkey orchid.
这边没有开花的花，帮你点一下，它就开花了。这边有一个 I， 就是 information。第一个，它会介绍猴子兰，它的花语是什么？第二个，它原生地在哪里？第三个，它有什么样的 story 故事
There's also interactive educational training. You will be taught how to cultivate orchids. Through the information, you will understand orchids better.
刚才看的银饰这边非常的精致，而且用那个银来雕塑的兰花的非常的漂亮。
兰展里面，我们是以小织女兰展兰花的系列去做推出。我们希望切入一个比较简单的主题，蝴蝶兰的部分，让大家更容易了解。所以在这个部分的设计里面，我们以平面式的一个设计跟蝴蝶兰立体式的一个设计。兰展的部分有蝴蝶兰以外，我们也开发了仙女兰的部分。我们也陆续在开发新的一个品种，请大家敬请期待。
Silverware cultural and creative products of orchids capture the image of orchids for keeping its appearance permanently. Do you want to know how does orchid silverware make? Let's see how it goes.
我们的银都是用999纯银的，因为999纯银的质地会比较软，塑形会比较好塑形。那我们第一步动作是退火，因为我们材料经过加工后它会变硬。所以我们要经由退火这个步骤，让材质变松软。第二个步骤是整平材料，有一个口诀叫“敲凸不敲巧”，稍微打它就会慢慢整平我们的材料。我们接下来要塑形的，旋转的敲。
By hammering, the metal can be shaped round.
然后它会慢慢变大，塑形。
Next step is soldering the extra metal. Then comes the soldering. Try to put the ends together seamlessly and apply some flux on the joints, then apply solder. Heat up the solder by conduction to make it stick to it. After heating the metal, take the torch to heat up again evenly. Now it's time for filing, to file the joint until it's smooth. Next step is polishing. Use jewelry files to polish first and let the machine to do the rest. Cultural and creative products of orchid not only make the shape of it, but also make it into natural dye. How natural dye has been made? Take a look at it.
植物染呢，就是取用日常生活中常见的植物，我们会使用染色煎熬度比较够的植物，像是一般我们的果树、龙眼木或者是荔枝树，它就是可以染色很好的植物。今天要为大家介绍植物染的一个头巾制作方式。我们一般呢会使用棉布，棉布它是一个比较基础的一个布料使用。
The first step after acquiring the fabric we want is to starch the fabric. You need to wash the fabric.
在搓鞋过程中拍打这块布，可以让它的纤维松开。
Next is refinery. Use hot water at temperature between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Add baking powder. Then you put the clean fabric in to remove dirt and grease on the fabric.
我们染布呢都会想要制作一些图案。那我们基本呢会有几个步骤可以制作图案的方式。一般比较常见的就是绑染跟夹染。
First is to demonstrate the irregular clutch dyeing. Fold the fabric as you wish. Then use the wooden clutch. Then tighten the fabric with rubber bands. The clutch position preserves the original color of fabric. The irregular folding helps to create patterns. The thickness of blanket line will be decided through the tightness level. Next is tie dyeing.
它其实也称为绞染，我们通常会选用棉线来做一个绑染的处理。
You need to put the fabric pre-treated in the dyeing pot. You put it in the pot for about 30 to 40 minutes. Dyes used here comes from plant source. Then you filter the dyes.
过滤完之后才可以染布。
After dyeing, you also need to clean the fabric. After cleaning, you now dry the fabric to have more durable colors.
做植物染是一件很舒服的事情，虽然它是非常劳动的啦，它需要很大的体力，可是打开的那一刹那其实是非常惊喜，我还蛮享受那个过程。
Flower cultural and creative products are not the visual presentation, but the prolonged life of flowers. Integrating with creation, art can create more values.